Cause them think you're from Wapia Kill Philippines from a long time. Cause these are the first set of houses them as they can see the zinc from steel. You know.
So Demo, you know the dance with it where them go so Jiff, and them go son. You know the dance there?
No. Teacher.
Aya. And take a picture. I'm a copy that.
Admire man. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The boca, watch out. The boca have 2 of these. You have one baby ball in there though? Another baby ball in there? Yeah. Yeah, look boy. I'm the first one we see. Take it out and so thank you. Alright.
But then on TV.
Come on.
But then on TV.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pure footballer. He must can give you 10, see him. But I want to talk. He's a guns captain. I mean, original baller. Yeah. Alright. See that.
More than 10 again.
National still have it.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well. Dream Team 1 team, you know it's about Kina Life in Jamaica. And your host, the Mongo. And we're here where the sun shines brighter than anywhere else. Right?
Yeah.
We're back here in Kingston. So we're here now.
We are back.
We are back, dear.
We are back, guys.
Just
so
Am I so tall or these so short? Which one is it?
You're so tall, Kino.
Damn.
That is the thing.
That is not the thing.
That's the thing. Shit. I'm not that short, Kino. Come on.
Well.
Anyway, guys, so welcome back to Kingston. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like button, leave a comment, let us get to know what you think about today's video. We're back again where it all started.
Yeah, so we're gonna go back here for a minute because you know the thing go. As what they always say, you know how the thing go. Is then we have to pass through and then blow through. As I say, we're going to somewhere else, somewhere near you. Don't know yet, but anywhere the breeze blow and the sun shine,
That's where we go.
that's where we're going. But stay tuned. Remember, guys, put the thumbs up whenever you're watching, and if you haven't subscribed and you're watching, go and subscribe.
And also subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, to D Mongo.
Run to 500 million. And thank you so much for 400k subscribers. Team Kino, you mean the world to me. Anyway, guys, we decided to stop by. I want to get something for colors. Yeah, just
Colors.
small gifts.
Colors.
Yeah.
We're talking about colors in Trenchtown, you know? Colors, you know, colorful man always dress colorful colors. We're not talking about colors, Smith. I mean colors in Trenchtown, you know, so these passing by and she's gonna pick up some grocery for him, you know, because she always have him on her mind because, you know, she wanna give him a little help out, and we really appreciate and we thank her so much for considering to help, you know, colors with some groceries, because you see the struggle where I go through, and you know she's helping out. They are kind heart, and we thank her so much, you know, with a very kind thank you, D, for
You're
looking out for
welcome.
colors. You know, so we're gonna pick some stuff up, right?
Come along with that.
Come along with us. We're going this way, D. So busy. Easy.
So we're gonna get some rice. Some 2 kgs of rice. Coconut cooking oil. Corn flour.
Cornmeal.
So we have cornmeal here.
Hello. Watch me every day.
Gandhi.
Oh, D. Hello. Lead over here in our line.
What?
Hello. Yeah, she's in the line down there.
Okay.
If you go straight on, you will see her in the line right down there.
Okay.
Want to meet her?
Yeah, man.
Come in. Come, sir. So you always watch us, right?
Yeah, man. You always watching us.
You watch me too? Hey, you watch me too. You too?
Yeah.
So it's always nice to meet our subscribers.
yes.
And, you know, it mean the world. We love them so much because they always watch us. So we're here in Progressive getting some groceries for colors, you know, and these in the line right down here. Find more subscribers.
Oh. Hi, baby. You good? Nice to meet you. Hi, mommy. Nice to meet you.
Same here. Watch you every day.
Thank you so much.
Here's one.
Oh, okay. Hi. Thank you for the love and support.
Yeah.
It means the world to me. Thank you.
Nice meeting you in
Nice
person.
meeting you, mommy.
Yeah, man.
Thank
I
you.
was married too.
Thank you so much. I
Okay.
appreciate it.
Catching face.
Happy.
Yes.
Hey.
It's like I watch you too.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the pampas and come back. So these are the stuff that these got me for colors. So
Part of my 400k giveaway.
yeah. So we're gonna get the pull-ups.
That's the pull-ups to close until like what she done, we can put
Okay.
we need the space so we can create.
She can go up now, right?
Yeah, man, she can go.
Or you can push on it out there now.
Okay.
Crash. Traffic. Yeah man, so blessed Lord. It's always nice for us meeting our subscribers, you know, so it is really a blessing, you know, when them say them really appreciate the good work that we're doing, you know, so that always encourages us more to continue doing the good work that we're doing, you know, when people encourage us, say, oh, them always watch us, it's nice watching us, and them like what we're doing, you know, that does motivate you more to continue on your journey, you know, so what can I say, you know, we give thanks, you know, I would thank you so much as subscribers, because if it wasn't for you, you know, pushing us, encouraging us, you know, to carry on the journey. So I'm trying to find the adult. So which one says adult? On this side? Oh, adult pull-ups. So we're trying to find the adult one. Oh, adult. Alright, so this is the adult one. Here, medium. So these are medium, so colors is what size? So medium, large. So I think I'll go large for colors. I think so. Large, right? What do you think, guys? Large, right? Yes. I think I'll get large. I think medium will be too small, so I'll get the large for him. Yeah, so I'm sorry, we have to give thanks for Dee, you know, she's blessing colors with some groceries, you know, and she's giving back, you know, and she really got a kind heart, because she really like, she want to help some people out, you know, and good things, so she want to get some groceries for colors, because she kind of see what he's going through, you know, as I can see she buys some groceries, so adding these pull-ups, I think that's really good, because they know colors in wear pull-ups, so this is it, large. So what do you think? Large is the right one, because once we leave out here, you know, say, but I think large is the correct one. That's what I think. I think large is the correct one for him. So we just work with the large for him. I think medium will be too small. I think he's large because he wear big clothes. So let's see. Hopefully it fits. Yeah, large, right? Large will fit him, right? So that is it.
Maybe you know better.
I think large, because I think large will medium. I think medium is too small. I think so, large, right?
I'm just thinking about the whole thing. You know, when I first came there, I wasn't getting anything.
Oh, because
then I remember he bought some jelly water for me, some energy drink for you, and I'm like, wow.
But through them time, he never really used to the patwa as yet. Like now, you're more used to the patwa. Yes.
Guys, he deserves this and many more. So, Kina will tell you the story, you know?
Yeah.
So, it's what? So, this is part of my 400k celebration, because it got me in Jamaica, and because, you know, like I've been thinking about him for quite some time, and since now that we headed back to Trenchtown, I thought why not come do some shopping for him. He really needs this because he every day uses them. So this and food, because he's in that situation, but still he works really hard. He goes to the airport, carries luggage for people who just alighted, and wow, I just don't know, but yeah.
It's in the world, yeah man, so as I say, Colors is a man we're always trying to help himself, because he work at the airport where whenever the passengers them come off the plane, I would help them with them luggage, and that's how it make him bread. You know, that's his honest bread that he
Despite the
make.
condition,
Yeah.
diapers on.
Yeah. So for most of you don't know colors, it's been an accident from the early 90s where a truck run over him waist. So all them pelvis, them and everything's been damaged, you know. So it's been like
Can't help himself.
no.
Uses the diapers.
Yeah, so I've used the diapers and things. So that's why the situation is like this for colors. So it's a blessing.
Took me there the first day I came to Jamaica to
Trenchtown.
Yeah. And that time I couldn't get the story.
But now she understand the story because the first time she never really to understand the patois, you know. But now I guess she more understand the patois now. So when she watch back the video, she like, oh, kid, now I start to understand what he was saying, you know. But and then she got a kind of know to reach out and help him because it's always on her mind. So that is.
For me, what I know is a hand that gives never lacks, never, you know. So.
So this is it. I think we need to get a box.
Oh. Carry.
Yeah, to carry. I'm gonna look at a box. Alright, so to get the box, you have to buy a bag. What do you think? Buy the bag or the box?
Yeah.
Gonna buy the box.
We get the box.
Oh, downtown.
That's ocean.
I just say where's the?
No, man, when the security, make a security DJ phone up.
Okay.
I think it's here.
So me and you and James
Yeah.
Me, you, and James.
and Chris.
Oh,
and
we stopped by the
machine.
Okay.
It was him.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, man. I get to find a video there.
yeah, I'm getting again.
I'm
Sister
follow
Yellow.
up from them. Good idea.
Appreciate.
Same man. So you can get some shopping.
No, you know, some places I'm cover down yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Check for the people.
Okay, go on as well too. So there's the second time I watch.
Sure, I don't know everything goes well.
Yeah, man.
Thank
Yeah,
you
man. Thank you so see you for watching.
Yeah,
Huh?
man, enjoy Jamaica now.
so much.
I know.
She's not let go.
Nah, let go.
She's not leaving.
Keep her home here.
Yeah, she's not leaving at all.
That is it.
Everything go on now.
Yeah, man. You know the work
I
of
don't know,
a
I
puppy,
check the
man.
program every time. Sir.
Alright, I respect that, yeah? Yeah, man. Cool.
Alright,
Is it the second time or third time is a charm? Which one is it?
Huh?
Is it second time or third time is a charm? I think them always say the third time. Is it second or third?
Time.
Third, right? So, but him said second time is a charm. So
Yeah.
look at that. You know, far was the last time when you see him? It's a bit from here, far.
Yeah, it's far away.
Yeah, far away. And he's here now. He's a security, so I guess them always mobile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From one area to the other.
Yeah. Archive. Top security.
That's it.
You're lucky it's not more down in December.
Yeah.
Festive. You'd have been way at the back of the line
So
right now.
what you're trying to say is if I need to shop, I need to shop earlier.
Early. Shop like for 2 months. So you don't have to come back here because trust me, these places is gonna be busy. And you see some trolleys, they're kinda light. In them times it's gonna be up. So well, I'm glad you're gonna experience what Christmas is like
In
here.
Jamaica.
And you're gonna like, wow. And when you go downtown, even at night, people don't sleep, right?
Wow.
True. Everyone is on the street.
That's where Christmas will find me.
Yo, see
Saying Carlos, saying
Carlos.
from Britain. England I come from, you know, every time me watching you know, me as a boy, John, I love what I do.
Yeah.
Lift up my heart.
Thank you.
So when I bring all the youth them on certain little program and
Yeah,
let me
yeah.
know a whole little place in Jamaica, a whole Ribbon.
Cool,
I say
man.
anytime I meet the eye, but
Yeah.
I go link up the eye them still, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
I
man.
don't know anything, because the number upon the program, see?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Yeah,
number
I don't
there.
know, I have to download something to them. In England, I live, you know.
Yeah,
And I said, watch them every time when I go
Every
to
time.
Spanish Town, Kingston,
Everywhere.
and in the ghetto, I said, boy, yo, I appreciate that from my heart.
Thank you
Respect,
so
enough
much.
respect. Saying,
Yeah, man.
Carlos, yeah?
Carlos,
Much love,
alright.
saying?
Yeah, man, can you have the number so you can just show me?
Alright, respect, yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So it's
Hey,
always
you
nice.
guys see why I love Jamaica?
The
Only
love.
for love and support.
Yeah, the love we always receive there, I'm saying, motivates us, you know, to carry on our journey, you know. Bless your love and big up on yourself when you're watching this, you know, it mean the world. Thank you so much. Right here, thank you so much, you know, for the blessings that I'm experiencing. Right here, mate. That's right. Yes, wow. We're loaded as well too, you know, so. You're loaded. Oh, yeah.
Of course, that will be good.
1 dozen jelly,
Of
right?
course, to just keep them. Look, let them not chop the.
Oh, is it inside here?
They get it like, you know.
Popeyes. Island Grill. Popeyes. Well, Dream Team one team, Dream Team one team. Let's love to all. We're here in Trenchtown, you know how it goes already. Yeah, so let's love all. Remember, put the thumbs up, whenever you're watching. Thank you so much. Max is here. Max is here. All is well, Max. Yes, so you know Max have to find me whenever I'm here. So you know, say, as I said, to be continued, come and do buy some groceries for Colors. So we're gonna pay Colors a visit, you know, cause they got some groceries for him and things. So we're gonna do this quick shot and thing and try to help out Colors to our next parish, which is you're gonna know soon. You know, so we're gonna head to the next parish after we leave here. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Gina brought me to this place the first day I came to Trenchtown.
Okay.
Now it's home. I keep coming again and again. You guys remember this place? I don't know if you guys remember. Let me tell you, when I came here, I couldn't understand but
But now she graduates.
I wasn't getting anything.
But now she understands all the patois they can think about, right?
After watching the story, now that's when I was like, oh, okay, Kina, this is what you meant. That time I was floating. All I could say is yes. Hi, Lee. Here we are.
Can I talk a little bit of?
Alex.
Oh my, who is that?
You remember me?
What are you doing?
I'm good.
Oh my God.
I missed you today. I said I have to come and say hello.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
I was so upset.
Don't worry. Sorry about that.
Yes, Jesus.
Christmas for you.
Come on, we can put it back here, sir.
Oh,
We can.
Alright then, so these are the stuff.
wow.
So these are the stuff that the mom go buy for Colors.
For real.
All this.
We shopped yesterday.
Yeah, so we shopped yesterday. So in my box over there, in my bags with the flour, in my sugar, in my pull-ups, you know, in my.
I want to tell you thanks more than 100 times.
You're welcome.
And in my,
Thank you.
Oh,
and in my fabulous. You know, cause this man love him fabuloso.
And Ariel powder for washing.
And
I
area.
just love when my cut is fresh, keep
so
fresh
clean.
now.
And I'm having juice, macaroni,
Wow.
cheese. Colors, you're well spoiled for Christmas.
Oh my gosh. more than so Kino. Oh my gosh. So what I'm saying now, what Kino? Oh gosh, as I tell you, Mama tell you I'm gonna want you come at the red cap party. Long time, them people, them not see me as scam. And it's like, oh, me take them medication there and I really want you come and feed them, me give them some
dance and
give one, yeah. Me take my red cap friend. Come on, you have some red cap at the airport. I always tell them about Kino, you know. So the red cap.
Kino is great.
Yeah, they're keeping a party over there, and they want me to come at the party.
Yeah.
Because they were calling my phone and they were saying, oh, we can't get colors. So when we go over there last night, they say, yo, what's happened to your phone? I said, they stole it, you know. Oh my God, and they were so upset. So they was telling me about the party. So they said, colors, you're off there at the party. So may I mention Kino. So they always see him on YouTube and hear me. They want to know him. So that's why I want him come up.
So you say, when is the date?
Next week Tuesday the 12th, you know, we can't, they say we can leave like 4 o'clock.
Wow. In the morning?
No, you're crazy.
Oh, so what time the party has started?
In the evening. Like now.
Oh, like now?
Yeah, a lot
so
of...
So can I show my face and...
Yes, kid, I said them I got 6 my ratings. Up there. You get me, I say?
Alright, so I'm going to try if we make it that day.
Yeah, for real.
Just remind me though.
Yeah, probably, I don't know, you can't, I don't know if you're booming ball or what.
Yeah, we'll try. So yes man, so we'll give thanks to D
and go forward, Kino, because I tell you, them want to know you. Because Joseph are coming now.
I'm going to try. I'm going to try. I'm not going to promise, but I'm going to try. So remind me if I'm in Kingston. You know, because we are move around the parishes, so...
I remember I ain't got no phone to buzz you, know, bro.
Yeah. I'm gonna write it down in my diary.
That's so sad. I feel so bad about that. How do you steal from now?
Oh, you see these drinks now, you know what I'm gonna... Hey, my freezer body say Monga. Anytime I put nothing in the freezer here, by all the next half an hour, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you put the whole in the freezer?
Yeah, because they have to get cool, man. I have to put them in if them get well cool, you know? By all 6 o'clock, I have to take them out. Yeah.
You have the hot plate already, right?
Yeah, so bad piece of freezer. Bad piece of freezer, my buy, man. Alright, I see it. But 2,000 Jamaican dollars I paid on the fridge first, you know? Okay. Yeah. Because I say, now go there, I'm know someone. I pay down and pay until I go for my fridge. And this when me get it, me buy this cash. I'm buy this cash. But me pay down until I get the fridge. Yeah, and all those curtains me buy. But guess what? In the Christmas, you say if you come back to this cottage, you're gonna shock. Because I'm gonna take all those and put up some prettier one.
New one?
Yeah.
So when you come on to Christmas and visit this house, you're gonna wonder if Santa Claus...
I'm in Trenchtown for Christmas.
That's why, what? Take a look right here. We have to go big light. It leaking, you know?
Leaking?
Yeah, look here. I never remember to show you where there, so light there have to go.
Look fine.
Watch it come like it all, because every rain day that day.
Oh.
Yeah, so it
kind of soaking right now and pull it down.
Yeah, oh my.
So you always have to go one patch.
Yeah.
At the top, at the...
Yeah, the zinc. The zinc is... Because them zinc here are from Wapia Kill fill up means from a long time. Because these are the first set of houses them as they can see the zinc from here. You know,
so, you know the dance with it where them go so Jiff, and them go son. You know the dance there?
No. Teacher.
Aya. And take a picture. I'm copy that.
For sure you can dance.
That's some kid to come at the party.
Yeah, I come, listen up. I'm going to try my best.
Please.
100% I'm going to try my best.
Guess none of the dance move them as yet.
You see, I just a teacher one while ago.
Oh, man. So
go and try. Go and try.
Kino, why can't you try? You is saying,
watch it.
Kino.
Watch it. You do like this.
Yeah.
Go to it, Kino.
No, I can do it.
You just do like this.
Yeah.
And then you go so again. You know what I'm saying? And then
good.
and take a picture.
Look up in that. Hey.
So what's that you pulling?
But seriously, you get to dance more them.
Yes, Colors. As we say, we give thanks. We thank D Mwanga. We thank you so much for your blessing for Colors.
Yeah.
You know, and he really appreciate it so much. And
Yes, amen. That is
okay,
it.
thank you so much.
I know man to get help.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, you see, I just faith do it in a manga.
Yeah.
Faith. You see me, Kina? Faith. Extended family, faith do it. I know we never give up.
Never give up.
Can't give up.
Never give in.
No.
Never give up.
No, it's so long as you can move and help yourself, don't give up.
Yeah, don't give up.
Yeah, because when I tell people say this happened to me, they half a believe in it.
Yeah.
Especially when them see me dancing and a jiggy and you get me saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, them have to say no.
He's in the dancing
That's how it should
mood.
be.
Yeah. And when them hear and say, yo, is that choke move? They were saying, you're lying. Yeah, I like all Kino and she when know if say, yeah, I choke mash him off a choke. So at that kind of keep me a little. You see, if somebody like sit down, probably, I don't know what happened to me.
Alright then.
Yeah, man, Kino,
Alright,
it was
Colors,
a
you know,
blessing.
yeah,
And big
man.
up to all my extended family. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Can't stop. Love you
Thank
guys.
you so much.
Love you so much and big up Team Mwanga
Thank
again
you.
for the
Alright,
Thank you
groceries.
so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so blessed love, so give thanks, so we thank D Mwanga
Gonna see you
for
later.
helping
Oh
out
my
Colors,
God.
you know, with some groceries, you know, and Mr. I'm really grateful, you know, because I've been going through a struggle, you know, and with this unexpected care package, he's really grateful and surprised for it. So we thank D Mwanga so much, you know, for helping out Colors.
And also thank you, Kira, because the reason as to why, you know, he brought me to this place and that's how I met him.
The cottage.
Aye, lock the cottage. Lock it, of course.
You saw it open a while ago.
Yeah. The curtain, fix the curtain.
Oh my, Mo, you like the curtain here?
Yeah. What are the Moochie or the Gucci?
No, this is Gucci.
Oh, Gucci.
Gucci.
No Moochie. No Munchie, no Moochie. The Gucci.
The flat Makina.
That's the Gucci.
Not from Gucci.
Yeah.
At this one, I'm going to put up this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aye. I would thank you so much for the clothes and where you donate
Oh my.
as well too.
Such a kind person.
Yeah.
Did she see the video?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Kino, the amount of people see the video and tell me. Yeah, I say, Colors, you don't have nothing and I give you so much clothes. Them pose it, have it.
Clothes dash way.
Between everybody, it's if me, God ever help me, I go to and search and get better. All of them people help me, would I want to repay them, you know? Yeah. I don't want to repay them, for real.
You will definitely do, because I know so once you start making it in life, you will.
Wash all them foot and use all the water wash all my face. Joke. You know laugh and feel that joke. Yeah. I mean that. I know some say people love me.
Yeah, true.
You say me never forgot what people do for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. If God ever help me, I'm go through that surgery, all of them ex-donors there. I'm go wash them foot. I say, yo, get me some tub with water and put those foot in, wash it, and use it and wash my feet. Yeah. I like it, Jamaican slippers.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright guys, so we say we thank you so much, you know, thank you. We have Rasta Jackson here in the building. Rasta Jackson.
Are you good?
We have Tall P over there. We have Rasta Mess around here as well. And we have Mother Teresa same way here, same way. And we have some soccer balls we want to give out.
No.
Yeah. We want to bring them, we want to give like 2 on each street. You know? Yeah man, obviously ball got there so you can juggle and Rasta Jackson because I know so you still play ball same way, right? And it's from Julie as well. Yes. So we get that sorted out and we can just go and walk around and give them out before it get too late. Alright, they gotta go over Esther to start out. I'll go for them and bring them downstairs. Alright, so go on and come Jack, so waiting on you. Alright, come on here. Come in, Messi. Yes, guys. So blessed love to all. So thank you so much. Remember, if you're watching, guys, put the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, you can go and subscribe. Now we have Shiny Man.
Yeah, man. There, go and watch. Who's this? Dima Wanga.
Yeah.
See me get the name? Dima Wanga.
That's it.
Wanga.
Man. Yeah, but boy, some of them porridge for me, yeah?
Eh?
I get the ingredients and come boil some porridge for me.
Okay.
with fried plantain.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's it.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Max,
Yeah.
all is well.
It's called Max.
Yeah,
What's the book?
this is Max.
Guys, welcome to Trenchtown. Team one team. That is key.
So blessed love to all, blessed love to all. So here we are, and these are the stuff that we received from Julia. You know, Julia and friends. You know, I want to thank them so much. You know, I was trying to ring Julia to get the name for the next person, but I couldn't. But it's Julia and friends. Yeah, so yes, it's Julia and friends that brought all these balls and stuff here. So so we have to give thanks to Julia and friends that brought this stuff. You know, with the bars and everything. So what we're going to do, we're going to give out the soccer bars today. You know. And then we have some kid stuff like toys and stuff. So these now we can put these towards whenever we're gonna do a tree. You know, we have to do the tree, so whenever we get toys or anything like crayon, coloring pencils and stuff, we'll put them all together and then we're gonna do the packing out. Now we'll just pack each and every one so someone can get something. So we have books and things there in them. You know, so we got variety of stuff. So we got our shoes here, size 9. Yes, a size 9, running shoes as well too, we can bless someone with. And we got trucks, and we got baby bars and stuff. So okay, and we got jewelry as well. So these are some accessories, some jewelry as well for ladies can get. And I think we got a custom chain as well for the wow chef there. So we're gonna try to give 2 bars each on each street. So one at the top, one at the bottom. You know, so every street can have a football to be played with. So we're gonna go and pump them up. We know they're gonna take them a long time to do that, so I don't think we're gonna pump up all of them. We're just going to take them as how it is, you know, and give them out. So we know the kids them will smile when them see them ball right now. Hey. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's a thank you. Hola, say thank you. That's a thank you.
Stop that, son.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
I don't want to give a thank you. I don't want to take you got a ball, right?
Thank you. Come on. I love kick ball, you know.
Yeah. Kick it now, kick.
Alright, some of
Today you would read.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Kick
ball.
Today everybody will have to stop.
Go. Alright, so we have some jewelry here, some costume jewelry from Julia. And you said, remember, the ladies them can choose something, so look in there and choose something. Raffle, yeah, raffle.
Raffle? Okay, I see. Take one pair?
Yeah, that pair. Alright, Sams. You want to pair the ladies' earring?
No.
Oh, what? Yeah, Julia from Canada.
Thank you, Julia from Canada, for the earring. Bless up.
Yeah. So we're gonna give out some ball, like 2 people on each street, one at the bottom and one at the top. So we just leave one at the top, you know, so the one can play with.
Okay.
So you can drop one each on the street.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, walk Sams? Come walk. Esther, choose something from Julia from Canada. Yeah. And music, others we could do it also.
Choose my choice.
So,
Now make Dee choose it for me. I'm choosing for Esther, guys. Me, I'm not picking. These ones are the same. This is one or? Oh, it's one. Let's see. Okay. Even the earrings?
yeah, up here.
Up here. Check the small ones.
Okay. Take it out further. Right.
Okay, this is for Esther Kino.
Listen, make the run for the give to somebody.
Thanks.
No, man.
Thank you, who? Kino?
Julia from Canada.
Thanks.
Julia from Canada.
Thanks, Miss Julia from Canada. Really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Best.
Alright, that's it. Come, we could choose some.
Choose your choice.
Choose a choice. Everything RB.
From Julia from Canada.
Julia from Canada, thank you very much. I appreciate it. 1, 2, 3.
So over there, I'm going to
Come here, wow. These are the eye candy. This is the eye candy. Come here, wow. There's something here for you from Julia.
Julia
From Canada.
Julia from Canada.
See there?
Eye candy.
Eye candy.
Julia from Canada, eye candies. You know, baby, if you wear them chain, you know. Jeez.
Looks so good.
Julia from Canada. Boy, come like a Kenya lion this.
But Julia will go on the trip
Julia.
together.
I love it here, Julia. Yeah, man. No fluff, I kiss me on the 2 jar, you know.
Yeah.
I tell you. No
So
fluff,
you get
Julia.
something special.
Yeah. I still like to give me something special. I give back something special.
Yeah.
Until you come back here. 2 art, I have no gear 1. I gear 1, I have 2 art, I gear 1. I keep the one.
Yeah, the right or the
I keep
left.
the one where I breathe and keep me up and running. You see? I get the love art, the love one.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Julia from.
Looks good.
Tell you the Julia. Yeah, man.
Put it on, yeah, put it on. Yeah, go put it on.
That's right.
Yeah, go put it on. Whoa, we have to give thanks to Julia. So we have some soccer balls now, which is some places soccer ball, some places football. So in Jamaica we say football, in America them say soccer ball. You know, so each street can get a ball. So we already donate 2 already up on the street, 1 for a little boy and for the adults then. So we're gonna give 1 over here. Talpi, what the right person could I give over here?
That boy.
How the feel, ball feel as a mash up? You have one baby ball in there though? Another baby ball in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, look boy. I'm the first one we see. Take it out and I'm the first one we see. So thank you.
Thank you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Two and pop man, a proper bad. Yeah.
I eat man.
I eat man, so enjoy yourself. Yeah. But don't go and pump in. It's a crew. Cool.
Trenchtown is so big. So normally I only know one street.
Okay. No, you know the other streets. It's the Wednesday. Mama said, oh, that. Sour. All is well.
Yeah, man, we have like.
Mama, waiting. I drop off some ball. You don't play ball anymore, don't you? You don't play ball no more. Any more baby ball in there? Just give me the last baby ball a while ago. I drop off one to them and play this one. Oh. Come see that ball. Come see that ball. I'm going to upgrade.
Yeah.
Upgrade?
Yeah.
Let me see a kick 10.
10.
Yeah, find that. Juggle 10. No. I want 1 foot. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, that reach 10. That not reach 10. That not reach 10. What go on?
I put on a league now. 50-year-old.
50-year-old?
Yeah, 50-year-old man. I'm going to die in the league.
Alright, come now. You couldn't reach 10? 10. Let me say 10. 10.
I'll get this.
Yeah. Can't juggle 10? 10. See there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put the ball up for the wall down, yeah? Okay, so that be the field. How about the field? Yeah, wipe off. I'll forget that one. Alright, cool. Presentation. Go up on the field.
Presentation, use a lot of
Come, just help. Come on, man. Anybody can receive, man. Let's come. Just help. Come, share the ball. Come. Yo, you have to kick 10, you know. If you can't kick 10, you can't get it, you know. Kick 10.
You kick it then, no?
Kick 10. Actually, kick 10.
Kick it 10.
2 ball, you know. Come on, kick 10. 1 foot. 2 foot, a ball with.
Oh, yeah, juggle.
Come, kick 10. Come bang you. Most can kick 10.
10.
10. 1. What is no, sir? Come, I want 10. Kick 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, Alright, I don't say thanks. Just thank you, Julia. Come. Alright, you win. So thank you.
Give thanks to the ball. Thank you, Julia.
Alright, so I want that. So man, I play a ball up there, so we go for that side now. Oh, chef, wait them up. Yeah. 3, so we give one where JJ book and ball. Always is where the man them play ball, where everyone play ball, so we go around where we see some next guys playing ball as well too. Huh?
Buy one pigeon to roast.
Yeah. What is sheep bird? No. So we're at another spot. Column Brings. Hold on. New contact. Hold on now. Come kick 10, new contact. If you kick 10, I get the ball there now. How much drop 10? Yeah. No, I know you can do it. Alright, get a producer. Come producer. Come. Come, give it 10, new contact. Yeah. Give it 10, new contact. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Next. No, next. Come on, new contact. Come on. Come on, 2 foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, I want to that.
Ice man, only for respect, you know.
Yeah, man, cool, man. Every time. New contact.
Man,
yeah, man, I want that. I hate that. New contact.
You must smile, oh. How man there? You start smile.
Yeah. See me? Yeah.
Yeah, it must
I'm smiling now.
Keeping it them trash.
Kick 10. Well, go on.
No, 2 foot.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A big ball.
You've got this really good.
Yeah, man. Everybody else today can play ball. Bocas. Oh, only I see them there. Yeah, drop one here, man. Yeah, bad. Are you ready? You're on a pump one. Are you ready? Yeah, man, this ready. Hey, I have to feel but we have to see the talent first. Alright, like everyone come give me 20. 20? Yeah. Not 1 foot, you know. Wait. 2, I know we can't see what's going on. Yeah. Alright. Problem. Next. One more time. I'll learn it's 20. Give me 10. Give me 10. Just give me 10. Give me 10. Go on. Give me 10 now. Give me 10. Yeah. The ball off for yourself, you know. The ball off for yourself. One. 2 foot in there. Yeah, you go. Give me a name. Give me a name. I know me, indeed. Alright. Oh, Super Son. Alright, come in. Go and get one for Brooklyn, you know. Go and get a ball for Brooklyn. For Brooklyn. But the boy them run so, but tell them so. You must can give you 10 in other shoes the same way. 10? Yeah, you must can give you 10 same way. What I want to talk? It's a guns cat. I mean, original ball. Yeah. Alright. See it. More than 10 again. National still have it. Alright, so you just leave a ball next up. Action that. Oh, so we have to go action then. Alright, so this is what? Okay then, so this is a Bokas ball then. So we're going to Brooklyn for Brooklyn. Alright then. I got match up for all our team. Everybody. What? Who can kick the 10? 10. Boys, the ball for the whole out, you know. But you have to kick 10 to keep it. I will kick the 10. 2 foot in on that 1 foot.
Yeah, 10 for keeping.
Yeah, go on.
Even but I'm not the ball.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, that's one person. Yeah, 10.
10 and keeping.
Come on. 10, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pure footballer.
It's like they won lottery. Happy to see that.
Yeah. More one pump.
Need a ball.
Yeah.
Maybe add them one.
Yeah, just in a bag.
Why not add them another one? They really need it. You see?
Well, yeah. What is good enough? Big man. When you're tough? That tough? One foot, 2 foot juggling. So we're gonna juggle. See it. The ball for the wall out, you know, you see me? But we have to keep 10 to keep it. No, it's bigger than 10. 2 foot in a field. Oh, come now, Caesar, come on, man.
Jesus Christ!
2 foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright.
So happy.
You want a better bar from what them have. Eh? Just take a day. Just have a number one fan. Number one fan mix. Yeah, man. All is well. Sister, big up, love, feel them, love them. Number one fan. Can't tell every chapter.
Big up, clean up, up and active,
This is a baby fan.
Okay?
This is a baby fan.
Baby fan. Alright, baby, we'll be back for you, okay?
So you got a baby fan.
Yeah. Baby fan.
Hey. So you got a baby now.
That is it.
That is
5
it.
to go.
Hey.
5 to go. No, don't cry. I'll be back.
I'm going to bring her back with you. What's your name again? Glenda boy. Glenda. Just born.
Yeah, the baby are run, no cheat. I said them the yellow ear. So me so yellow ear, yeah.
She come on and say she had number one for that baby.
Watch some cartoons.
Boom. Again, where you say?
People make us feel like it's Russia and Ukraine. When you talk about Trenchtown, people think they'll see smoke, houses burning, children crying, everybody. Police.
It's a different story.
Guys. Freely walking, feeling the breeze. Yes?
It's a different story.
Different story, trust me.
Total
Normal
different.
life. Yeah, if you say I'm in Trenchtown, I'll be like, oh, what did you go to do there? I can't go there. Things have changed. Times have changed.
Change.
What you see is what it is.
Of course, what you see
Right
is what
now.
it is. Oh, that's how they're not playing a ball? Is it that's why no ball's playing no ball? They can't juggle? Can't juggle? Come here, come. You feel empty, no football's playing?
No ball go play when I get this ball, so I go call on the TV.
How comes you not playing no football? No ball?
You put them on a play ball, you know.
Ah, come here, come kick 10.
Go kick 10. Get a ball.
See them have a football field here. Much? Me not see that. Come, kick.
See the last and them buck him too. I gave him my 10.
Go and learn. Let's make sure to practice, right? Let's practice. Because so that the feel and look.
Keep up ball, man. You learn to them things.
Alright, so we are chopping back here, so. One foot here. Boom, put your foot here. Don't feel it. No man, 1 year man.
Let's kick 10.
Who can juggle?
Who can kick 10?
You can kick 10?
Yeah, me more than 10.
More than 10? With not 1 foot, 2 foot.
Him can do a buck.
You see it to a buck off?
I still want to kick 10 come. Somebody else kick 10. Listen, see the ball? The ball for the wall on, you know, right?
Yeah.
For the wall on.
Kick 10, forget it.
Yeah, to keep it.
Juggle. One pressure. Sir, me I do it next year, sir. Much juggle. 10. Me first. Me second. 4, 5, 6, 7. Me.
Somebody else try. Who else gonna try?
10.
What? No man. Buck off two?
Yeah,
What with the ring? Yeah, alright man. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The boca, watch out. The boca have 2 of these.
You almost washed me.
Yeah. Yeah, put the wall out now. Kino life in Jamaica. Yeah. This is where D right with Christmas list.
Yeah.
Right at this spot. Chris? Anyway you're watching from Chris?
Then Chris went direct to the police.
Yeah. Chris was like,
do a job them.
Yeah, cool, no? Was right at this spot there.
Yeah.
Right here. They were going to go check the Rasta man. They were going to go check the Rasta man. Interview, remember tomorrow to bring him.
National man. Go and kick some ball.
Yeah, kick some ball.
You're going to get a big ball.
I'm going to look for your friend and
they are still. If you're there. So if your father watch you can't let him down, right? He might watch you, so go on. Daddy's watching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Don't feel no way, daddy can't do it. 1, 2, 3. What? What, Coco? Hey, so you don't blame yourself, your daddy. Oh, let me keep them there. Yeah. Come, no ice cream?
Yeah!
No ice cream?
Yeah!
Come, go in the shop. Come.
You buy ice cream?
Eh?
You buy ice cream?
Yeah, buy them ice cream.
You have your feet?
Mom. Give them some ice cream.
A cold never get here?
Yeah. Alright then, yeah, bye-bye. Shall I put my ice cream, yeah?
Come down.
Later. Come.
Let's do
Yeah.
Me, I'll come down there.
No, stay up here, because I'm not going. Alright. Alright, yes, back up. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. gonna be a better end.